We are one of the oldest buildings. And so we have a lot of old, outdated items. And the new furniture, one student, as he put it, was, you care. You know, we have new furniture. It's like Christmas all over again. And so it does give, as Katie stated, a new feel to the building. Kids, they have positive attitudes. Instructionally, it's easier for a collaboration. You see them using their erasable markers to write on it. Also, the teachers love the small groups. And then with the flexibility seating, like that was the game changer right there.
So my initial reaction is that it is really open and the colors are soothing in general, and like the blues and the greens. So visually, it's less overwhelming to look at. And the students' reactions I've gone through, and I've seen kids sitting on the rocking chairs at their desks and loving it. When we've done stations, the autism specialist and myself have each taken, she takes the seating kids and I take like the crash pads, the sit saucers and the Nova boards, and we go through stations and we've shown the kids, you know, this is how you use it, this is when you use it, listen to our teachers, but we can use it safely. And the kids all love the standing boards and the sitting boards. So that has been really successful. And their reactions, because like, especially for being OT, they're sensory seeking. That's all what I look for. Like, what can we modify in the classroom to keep kids in the classroom while getting a movement break? And the seating setup lends itself to that.
Their initial reactions, they all walked in and they were like, oh, this is ours?
Yes, I think they were just shocked. They really were. When they first came in, initially you think, oh no, the kids are going to be running around trying to grab everything. They didn't do that at all. Mm-hmm. They came in, I said, have a seat at the gray table. They sat down, and then when it was time to come to greeting circle, these block chairs are so cool. They all came, I said, pick a chair, and then they can choose from, different level chairs. We have cushion chairs, we have block chairs, we have rocking chairs. So it really just fits every child's need, because some children, they need to move, and if you have just a regular chair, normally they might tip back in the chair or lean over the chair. Yes. Sometimes I find kids under the chair, and the chair's like on top of them.
The rocking chairs, they do rock back, but they like stop. They could only go so far. Unlike these chairs, when they start to tip themselves back and they end up flipping, those actually stop. So they really enjoyed those.
We love the furniture. Thank you for the furniture. Yes.
What do you like most about it?
It's all looks like it blends together, so it's all cohesive. Very, very nice. We love it. Thank you.
If you like it, wave your finger, say yeah.